are going really well in Washington, D.C. The city is very interesting. I really like my job, and I have some good friends. Speaking of friends, I see one now. Marcia, hi!
Hi, Anna. What's going on?
Not much. How about you?
Busy as usual. Hey, do you want to see a movie with me?
Sure. I never have time to see a movie. When?
Are you busy this Thursday at 6 p.m.?
Let's see. I'm busy. I am going to tap dance with my friends Thursday night.
Tap dancing. That sounds fun.
I'm still learning, but it is fun. Are you busy on Friday night?
Yes, Friday nights are when I visit my parents.
What do you and your family do together?
We always eat dinner together, and sometimes we play board games.
Playing board games is fun too. The word game Scrabble is my favorite.
I like Connect 4.
Yes! I'm not busy on Monday night, are you?
I am busy on Monday night. I'm going to jog in the park with my friend. Do you jog?
Oh, I always jog. Well, sometimes I jog. Okay, I never jog. But I will try because it is good for you.
I always feel great after I jog. How about on Wednesday night?
Wednesday night, I am not busy. Oh, no, wait. This Wednesday night, I will be busy.
What are you doing?
I'm going to teach children how to play the ukulele. Now, children, play C. Oh. Good. I like your C.
The world does need more ukulele players.
Marcia, it looks like we'll never have time to see a movie. Wait a minute. Are you busy now?
It's Saturday afternoon. This is always when I do my errands.
Okay, but the new Star Wars movie's gonna start in 30 minutes.
I'll do my errands on Sunday. Let's go.
Most days of the week, people are really busy, but it's important to find time to be with your friends. Until next time.